Proposals of every type can be intimidating. However, business-to-business or B2B proposals are particularly high pressure. Think about it. You're sending a presentation, encouraging someone to choose you and hoping that they will see the value and why you're the best fit for a particular job. Keep in mind that even the most well-presented solutions can get rejected due to several reasons. Today, our job is to explore the strategy to write proposals that get yes as an answer. I'll offer 10 easy steps to help you build a perfect proposal as well as quick tips. So get your notebook and pen ready and let's begin. You have to convey some basic information here. Introduce yourself and your business, include your name, your company's name, the date you submitted the proposal, and the name of the client or individual you're submitting the proposal to. Your title page should reconcile engagement with professionalism. It's a tone setter, so you need to make sure that yours is sleek, aesthetically appealing, and not too out there. A solid UX is valuable in virtually any context, and business proposals are no exception. You need to make things as simple and accessible as possible for the people on the other side of your proposal. That starts with a table of contents. A table of contents will let your potential client know exactly what will be covered in the business proposal. If you're sending your proposal electronically, it helps to include a clickable table of contents that will jump to the different sections of your proposal for easy reading and navigation. The executive summary details exactly why you're sending the proposal and why your solution is the best for the prospective client. Specificity is key here. Why are you the best option for them? Similar to a value proposition, your executive summary outlines the benefits of your company's products or services and how they can solve your potential client's problem. After reading your executive summary, the prospect should have a clear idea of how you can help them, even if they don't read the entire proposal. Compare these two writings here. This example thoughtfully and effectively conveys both what the business does as a whole and how it can specifically serve the reader's needs. But this one is extremely vague. It doesn't allude to what the reader specifically stands to gain from doing business with this company, and it fails to actually speak to why it should be considered the best in its industry. This is where you provide a summary of the issue impacting the potential client. It provides you with the opportunity to show them you clearly understand their needs and the problem they need help solving. Research, critical thinking, and extra thought are key here. You have to do your homework. Take a holistic look at the specific issues your client faces that you can help solve. Then, compellingly frame them in a way that sets you up for the next step. Here's where you offer up a strategy for solving the problem. Like the last step, you need to be specific and personalized on this one. Make sure your proposed solution is customized to the client's needs, so they know you've created this proposal specifically for them. Let them know which deliverables you'll provide, the methods you'll use, and the time frame for when they should expect them. Are you qualified to solve this prospect's problem? Why should they trust you? Use this section of your business proposal template to communicate why you're best for the job. Include case studies of client success stories and mention any relevant awards or accreditations to boost your authority. Pricing is where things can get a bit tricky, as you don't want to under or overprice your product. If you'd like to provide the prospect with a few pricing options for their budget, include an optional fee table. Some proposal software offer responsive pricing tables, which allow clients to check the products or services they're interested in, and the price will automatically adjust. Next is to actually simplify it into one final section. Briefly summarize the proposal. Touch on your qualifications and why you'd serve as the best choice. To prompt further conversation, confirm your availability. At the end of the proposal, the goal is to have the client ready to work with you. Provide your contact information to allow them to follow up easily. This is where you go into detail about the project timeline, pricing, and payment schedules. It's essentially a summary of what you and the client agree to if they accept your proposal. Make sure you clear the terms and conditions with your own legal team before sending the proposal to the client. Then lastly, include a signature box for the client to sign and let them know exactly what they're agreeing to when they sign. This is also a chance to include a prompt for the prospect to reach out to you if they have any unanswered questions that you can address. Here are some more quick tips to add more flame to your business proposal. You can include data and visuals, add social proof, incorporate video into your proposal, use a call to action, include upsell and add-on opportunities, create a sense of urgency, keep it simple, make the decision for them, stay on brand, and quality control. And that's it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, share with us in the comment section your experience creating a business proposal. We would love to hear from you. For more online marketing tips and tricks, check out these videos.